All for Adventure have been using Clearview Accessories for over 10 years, beginning with the original towing mirrors that Clearview are famous for.
I've had 4 vehicles now on different trips. I have not broke one.
Right through to today's range of Clearview towing mirrors and accessories.
It's starting to get a little bit tight weaving through the bush towing this trailer, and that's where the Clearview mirrors really come into their own.
For a decade, Clearview Accessories have partnered with All for Adventure to help deliver one of the best 4-wheel drive fishing and adventure shows on television. I personally select every accessory for my vehicles to ensure they meet the highest standards.
The dent there, that's all I can see. The mirror survived.
Coming in hot! We push our gear, our crew and our vehicles to the absolute limit.
He's all over the show.
That's why we never compromise on quality. I've been from the tip of Cape York to the southernmost point of Tasmania and across the red centre of Australia more times than I can remember. Clearview Towing Mirrors and Accessories have been with us every step of the way. Countless adventures and the same unwavering trust in Clearview Accessories. Here's to a partnership forged in adventure, trust and friendship.